Hey guys, it's Joe, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's Joe, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back after like 2 months of not posting, and I'm really sorry. I just want to say, I'm really sorry for not posting for such a long time.
He's really sorry for not posting for such a long time.
So I'm back today with my best friend Chloe. She's my ex-girlfriend. Basically, we dated in like year 7.
No, we didn't.
And everyone knows it. The whole year, her cousins.
He asked me out. And
This is when I was like in denial and like not properly out.
It never happened. He just likes to believe.
So it's basically like a little Q&A with my ex-girlfriend. It's gonna be like a mukbang Q&A. So I asked you guys on Instagram.
Sorry.
So I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me some questions, and we're gonna answer them while we eat. We've been to KFC. I hope this sound's not too loud. And we're gonna eat our KFC. We've both got wraps and gravy and chips.
Twist the wrap.
Give this video a like if you like it, subscribe, and let's get into the video. The gravy's the best thing. If you don't get gravy at KFC, then who the hell are you? Hasn't been a great year for me, but we move, okay?
We move,
and you know, you know when Kylie was like, it's the year of like realising stuff for me.
Realisation, yeah.
Oh yeah, I just want to say guys, I'm really sorry if you don't.
He's really sorry.
I'm really sorry that if you guys don't like this fisheye camera, like I love it. I mean, it's a really great vlogging camera.
I mean, it makes me look really strange.
I mean, it shows the whole frame so everyone can get in it, but we're in my car. We're in Sainsbury's car park.
We love Sainsbury's. We're going to get straight into the video.
So yeah, you guys are probably wondering where I've been, so I'll answer that one first.
Been very busy.
Dealing with some things. Too hot. So it was my birthday actually on the 25th. I'm 19 now.
Is that the question?
No, I'm just saying that. Little life update, I'm 19 now. Little life update, I'm 19. So William said, what are you doing after college? So I'm actually working from home. Not a lot of people know this, I don't really talk about it. I'm doing marketing from home for 2 different companies. And I love it, I enjoy it so much. So I'm doing that, and obviously I want to just get back into doing my YouTube stuff because I love it. It's like it's such a good hobby for me.
I'm at uni.
She's at uni, she's at my old college. I get
You're
lots
meant to say that.
It's fun.
I'm studying fashion management and business.
Someone said, what course did you do at the FRA? So I went to Fashion Retail Academy in London. I did level 3 fashion retail, and it's a 2-year course, and I loved it so much. And I was thinking about going back, but then I just wanted to carry on working. But Chloe's gone and done the degree course there.
Yeah, it's really good. I'm really enjoying it.
Trying to find the good one.
So Joseph, when are you going to get a man?
The question everyone wants to hear.
That is from someone called John.
I don't know John. Yeah, I really don't.
John, you can be his man if you want.
John, I don't know. I am accepting applications. I mean, let's just say my luck is not the greatest luck. Maybe a story time will come out in the foreseeable future. Let's just say I'm very happily single at the moment.
Do you know any words in Spanish?
Cumpleaños.
What? You just said that wrong.
I did Spanish.
Cumpleaños.
Uh-huh.
No, do a proper one.
I don't know a lot of
Spanish.
Spanish.
Translate it for everyone.
That means birthday. I said.
What's your favourite nightclub?
That is very hard one. I really enjoyed Rain when I went there.
Did you?
I mean,
Joe literally died that night.
No.
I don't think he enjoyed it.
It was a good club. It would have been good if I didn't die, you know? But no, the club itself was good. I like, you know what, drama's good.
We've been there too many times, haven't we? We've just like rinsed it.
You know what, 195
was... We like faces. We do like a bit of faces.
195 was a good club when I went there when it was open. You know what, the last good club I went to was Liberty.
Favourite alcoholic drink?
Aperol Spritz.
I just don't really like alcohol.
Aperol, yeah, but Aperol Spritz or white wine. Pinot.
I just like
vodka.
cocktails.
Cosmo.
Oh my god, yeah, I do love Cosmopolitan. Who's your favourite singer?
No. I love Jaquez actually.
Question is, when do you think you'll move out, and where would you like to live?
My plan was to move out this year, but I haven't. I'm going to move out. I'm going to move out next year, hopefully, and probably get a nice studio apartment or a nice, you know, modern apartment somewhere. I'm not sure where yet, probably local to me. I work from home, I don't need to like go to London to travel for work, so I don't mind not living in London, and like you get so little for your money as well, so I'd rather live a bit outside and get more. My train into London is like 23 minutes, so it's not that big of a deal.
What car do you have?
I actually haven't done a car tour. I really want to do a car tour, but the car I have at the moment is Audi A1. Yeah, Audi A1, 5-door, grey.
Colour?
and I'm gonna do a car tour. I've had my car for about 2 years in May 2020 or April 2020. So guys, I can't believe I haven't done a car tour. It's so bad. I never get around to doing it, you know. But the days when me and Chloe are meant to film our car tour, the weather will be bad.
Oh my god, yeah. It's literally failed so many
It's just a
times.
nightmare, and like where my friends would go to college, no one would be able to help me film, and it's just so, you know, it's just such a kerfuffle. But hopefully I'll get a car tour filmed and done very soon because it's so long awaited. Oh my god, guys, I wanted to show you my jumper. Why am I sitting in my coat? Is this? Oh my god, it's folded. How cute is that? So this summer I went to Singapore with my best friend Mia for her 18th. And it was absolutely unreal, guys. I really highly recommend Singapore. I did post a few vlogs that are actually up on my channel, which you can watch. It's like a different world. It's like all modern. It's just clean. It's unreal. It's such a nice place to go to. So I highly recommend it. So I really want to go to Santorini, Greece this year.
I went to Ibiza, best holiday ever. I'm not his ex-girlfriend. He just loves to be
guys. She's embarrassed to say this because people will see, oh my god, she dated a gay guy. Like, oh my god, be lucky to date me.
We didn't date.
I'll tell him. So yeah, that's just a few questions. I thought I'd just hop on here, do a little life update and just, you know, talk about what's been going on. I'm all fine, we move. I'm back to filming now.
Move.
I haven't been filming for a while, but, you know, so stuff happens.
Put that in.
Stuff happens and, you know, I'm in a better frame of mind now. I'm more motivated, and I know I said this in my last video, but from my last video, stuff happened. So it was like kind of, you know, not all fairy tale and stuff. And I just feel like sometimes social media makes people's lives look so perfect, and like there's nothing's fine with it. And I didn't want it to look like, you know, I was going out and like just not even caring about YouTube, because I was caring. You know, just stuff happened. It was just an unfortunate situation. But yeah, 2019, you know, gonna make it as best as we can, but 2020 will be better. Yeah, I feel like you have to have bad stuff happen to you so you can like realise the bad signs of stuff, you know, of people. You can realise the bad from people before it even gets to that extent. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick little like Q&A life update. And yeah, if you guys want more videos with my ex-girlfriend, definitely let me know.
What's ex-girlfriend? Comment
it down below and give this video a like if you liked it. And I'm back, better than ever, on top of this world, feeling very happy. And you'll be seeing a lot more from me. So stay tuned for exciting videos to come. And I will see you guys in the next one. I love every single one of you guys. Bye.
I'm losing it.